Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. One question I get asked quite often is, Geo, I currently shave with a Merkur 34C or a Edwin Jagger DE89 or a Muhle R41. I want to step it up a notch in aggression, but I don't want to be as drastic as the Muhle R41. Right in between that little sweet spot is the Muhle Roca right here. Beautiful looking razor, stainless steel, 3-piece razor, very elegantly, superbly designed, feels great in the hand, great knurling on the handle. Let's disassemble. It's a 3-piece razor. I'm going to pop a feather blade in there, right there. Here's the blade. Drop that right in. And as you can see, I've got a pretty heavy beard growth today. So we're going to see how this mows through it. There's the blade reveal. Perfect on both sides. All right, I've already mixed up a lather in my Shave Nation Artisan bowl. I'm going to warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. All right, my face is nice and warm. Let's grab that lather. Excellent lather right here. Lather up. Starting on the right, going across. Drive it into the beard. Soften it, hydrate it, prepare it for the shave ahead. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways so we can see the sideburns. Temper the razor under the hot water. Wet fingers. Let's do it. Find that angle. No problem removing that heavier beard growth. One side is filled, flip it over. Excellent. Both sides filled, rinse. Lots of stubble going down the drain. Other side, cut that sideburn. This is going through the beard growth quicker, faster, easier than a Merkur 34C. The mustache. I think it even has a slightly lower profile on the head, so it's easier to get under the nose. Very good. Rinse. Let's relather for a second pass. Actually, you could feel around right now. If you're smooth enough, you could stop. But I'm going to go a little bit more. One more pass. Get the baby smooth, accomplished feeling. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runways again. Now we'll go across the grain. You could use another blade and tone it down a notch, but in my opinion, the feather blade is, for me, the way to go. In this razor for sure. Cleft. rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Beautiful. Rinse. Across, under the nose. Little cleanup. Excellent. Rinse. Cold water rinse to the face. Oh, feels nice. Very nice. Take your Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap. Under the cold water, just glide that all around the areas you shaved. Sealing off any small nicks or weepers, which we have nothing of the sort. We just got baby smooth, beautiful shave. Recap that. Let it soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. A nice cold water rinse. Grab your aftershave. A little bit in the fingertips. Directly into the skin. This will give you protection throughout the day. Cooling, calming, soothing. What a fantastic shave. Check it out. Cheeks, chin, upper lip, neck, everything is baby smooth. Beautiful. The Muhle R41 comes in several different flavors. This is the black. It also comes in a birch bark, which is like a wood type handle, and a couple others. I'll post a picture, you can have a look. Excellent shave provided. Feels great in the hand, long enough to drop in the palm. Just the perfect razor for heavier beard growth, more aggressive shaving. As far as aggression goes, the 34C, maybe 3-4. Mild, medium. This one, the R41, about 6 to 7. Gives you more aggression, removes the beard quicker, easier, faster, very comfortable shaving. All in all, a great razor. If you want to pick one of these up or any of these other items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab it right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 800 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.